Bring out the best in yourself, just the way Ed Sheeran made India look the best. For the longest time, I've always thought that all the foreigners make India look very ugly or unhygienic, but India also has its beautiful, good parts, and especially this video captivated me the way he made me realize how beautiful my country is. And I might not be able to make a video of the whole country, but I'll definitely try making one for the city. For myself, obviously, it's very beautiful, and if a foreigner can show India in such a breathtaking way, why shouldn't we try to do it too? This is something that I'm gonna be trying for the very first time. Filmmaking is something that I've always wanted to do, but filmmaking is also very hard. So we'll get into the hard, we'll do the grind, and today's video is a small tribute to all the work that Ed Sheeran put in. A few people never change, and those few people is me. Because midway through the process, I realized why not make a YouTube video about this? It will be memorable for me, and if you ever want insights on how to build a video, get the end result, then you'll also get a few tips and tricks. By the way, me and my team came up with the idea. The moment we heard the song, we all loved it, and then we started scripting shot by shot like which line we want to film where, writing the places. I mean, we are not done completely, we have a lot to do, we have more than halfway to go.
Still got the same brother since 6th grade.
This video is gonna be the living proof of how much work it takes to make a 30-second video. So we only wrote the lyrics of 30 to 33 seconds here, and I wrote if I need to sync my lip sync or not, and everything. Here you have, see, I'm nervous. This is gonna be a very first. We're gonna be doing a lot of firsts, as you know. Anyways, I searched up how they use the rig, and they custom built the rig is what I think. We will try to manage it somehow with tripod and stuff, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. You'll see the process of us figuring it out. You want to film, I mean, that you is me. I wanted to film for Sapphire, and then I realized I'm totally out of content. So how are we gonna film for a video while we are out of content and we have nothing to post? Because the production time for Sapphire will take a while, and in the meantime I need to have content to post. That's when I realized, first I'll film a reel, and then we'll move out, get all the nighttime shots, night vibe shots, and tomorrow we'll get all the day shots. Ta-da! I hope it doesn't rain. Not tonight, not tomorrow. Not until I'm done with the video.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still trying to flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my floor. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life faster, die too young.
Okay.
Die too young.
Oh boy. Okay. So we rigged it up with all the gear we had. This is the back strap that we adjusted for me to have back support. I don't know how did they rig it up, but we tried to do it this way. I know it looks funny and there are a lot of people staring at us, but that's the fun. Let's go.
Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it. We gon' get back on our feet, and I put it.
So hot, so hot. But you've got to do it for the shot. See? I did not time it, but it just happens. लव बचा है मुझे तेरे वार से. To take for her. मैं वीडियो लूँ क्या?
हाँ लीजिए ना.
ये निकाल के तुम्हें 1 मिनट दो. You shift simultaneously. I'll just look. Yeah, just do this. Yeah.
डालो.
honest, we gave up on the whole idea of the Sapphire video because when we wanted to film, there were too many power cuts. We did not have proper power since the past 2 days, and we lost the Wi-Fi because of heavy rain. And the laptop gave up on us altogether because the laptop's too old. It was hanging a lot, and we originally planned to film all day, like have a few daytime shots and then a few nighttime shots. Because it did not happen, we did not film for 2 days, and suddenly we decided that we'll take at least a few shots and do the video for sure. Why to scratch the whole idea just because we cannot do it the way we wanted to? And that's when we decided that we'll just come out. We came out like in the evening, exactly at the sunset time, around 6 to 6:30, and it was the most beautiful sunset. After that, we suddenly came across this small, what do we say, amusement park kind of a thing. And I saw the giant wheel. I was so excited. I wanted a shot, like I wanted a shot with the giant wheel behind me. Okay, that's too traffic. Traffic. And all this honking. See too many honks, please no.
Have me in your possession.
Okay, so this is day 3, and like I told you, we came here to take the daytime shots, and we actually stopped for a quick shoot, like at least one clip near the Kabutar Khana. And right now we are near Charminar, and we're gonna get the other half shoot done, mostly like 5 to 6 clips, which will be enough for us. Let's go. It's beautiful. It's not really sunny, it's not really cloudy. Perfect weather for us to Okay, when I say we work our blood, sweat and tears out, this is what we mean. Okay? Blood, sweat and tears. Oh, I'm so exhausted.
On your phone, know you're sour 'cause I'm moving on. Oh, you're showing up at my door. Yours, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back.
Okay, so we just got done with the shoot, and hopefully we got good footage. Footage is what's going on. Okay, I'm so exhausted right now. I cannot begin to describe. Now I'll be going to another place. I'll be going to IKEA because we planned a shoot in IKEA where we'll take a few shots not of Sapphire, but something else. And yeah, I think it'll be at least a little peaceful because I had no peace since morning. I did not even eat food properly. I'm so hungry right now and exhausted and pissed off, angry most of all. So what really surprises me is the amount of respect content creators get. We are never recognized of all the hard work we put in, and people just try to put you down because they don't understand what you do. All the other professions are taken as a profession, but this definitely feels very hollow.
If you do one favor, just stay with me. But lately, I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company.
మేము వచ్చినాం కుయ్యాకి ఐకుయ్యా. ఓహో, ఇంత బెస్ట్ లైటింగ్లో ఇంత బెస్ట్ యాంగిల్ ఐకియా అని ఎవ్వడు చూపించలేడు. We win.
Stay with me. I don't usually need nobody.
Okay, I know I told you guys that I was going to come to IKEA for a shoot, but the camera is not allowed inside, so we do not get to shoot much. And also, it's Sunday; it's super crowded. I underestimated Sundays. We did not get to shoot, so we instead started working. We sorted all the footage that we took for the Sapphire video, and. We were just sitting and sorting, me and my team were just sitting and sorting. That's when this cute little adorable girl came up to us and she gave this giraffe. She gave actually two of these giraffes, and she was going away, but we were like, okay, no, keep it. And you know what happened? When we told her to keep it, she was smiling and then she walked away from us. And she went to another table, okay? There was a small kid at another table. He was like 1 year old. And this girl I'm talking about, she is like 3 years old or something. And she went to that guy and she gave him two giraffes again. She had two basically, I think she bought it. And when she gave two, the kid's mom was like, "You keep one, and I'll make my son keep one of it." And that girl was like, "Okay, fine." And then she gave one of the giraffes to the guy, to the baby, and she walked away. She went off. She left. Okay, and 20 minutes later, they were exactly in front of us, so we could see what they were doing. And the kid was super adorable too. The baby. They randomly left without carrying this giraffe, and I felt really sad. Why would someone leave something that was given to them out of love and joy? So I just went and picked it up because it's like a memory that I don't want to forget, because the girl was so adorable. I forgot to ask her name, and I mean, I did not really forget to ask her name, but she just walked away. She was running here and there. You know how unpredictable kids are. She was too adorable though. I wish I meet her again. And I hope she's in IKEA right now somewhere. I did not want to creep her out by following or something. But I'm too fond of kids. And this is one of my core memories for sure. Something that I wanted to share with you guys too. Say bye to the giraffe and bye bye. Oh, okay, wait a second. Sometimes DJ is like so tricky to work with. Okay, anyways, face track enabled. Now I go up, I go side, side. Okay, so we just completed syncing like more than half of the clips, and I cannot begin to express how good the video turned out. For the first time, trying something so cinematic and replicating a music video, it was really hectic because we completed it in less than 24 hours. Actually, in less than 12 hours. Last night we went for a shoot, and we were out for like 4 hours, and in the morning we shot for again 4 hours, so it was like 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours of filming, and you get a masterpiece out of it. It's definitely worth it. I know that it usually takes days to film a music video, depending on the concept, of course. The experience of doing just one was breathtaking, and this is turning out to be one of the best videos we've made till date. I'm so proud of me and my team, and kudos to all of us. And it's all because of the love that I have for you guys, because I push myself every single day, even though I know, and sometimes I feel like I might not be able to do some things, I still go that extra mile because I know that you are there in the end to receive me, to receive the output that I'm gonna provide. And I cannot. I just like, I'm so excited. Oh, give me a second. I'll probably just show you the timeline. It's so amazing. Give me a sec. Okay, so this is the timeline, okay? Like, it's crazy. Like, if I decrease the timeline, if I minimize it, it might look too short. But if I expand, like increase it, it's so huge. Wait a second. I'll just do a little smart work here. Hard to do it with a single hand, but yes. Now I'll show you. And then here are a few clips that we cut out. And here, there's a few clips we thought we could use later. But okay, I'll show you how it turned out. So beautiful so far. That's it. That's it, okay? Now, I'm not gonna show you the whole video. I did hell a lot of hard work on this, so you better go and watch it on YouTube. Shorts, like YouTube shorts, and I'll be uploading like a separate video of this. I thought I'll just upload a long form video, no matter how many seconds it is. Mostly it'll be like 35 to 40 seconds, but I was like, I'll upload it in both shorts and normal. And also, I'll upload in Insta Reels too. This is so amazing. Oh my god. Okay. If you guys want me, okay. Sorry, my mic was somewhere, I don't know, in South Africa. Okay, so if you guys want me to do more of these recreation videos, do comment below so that I'll work on those for sure. And honestly, I wrote like 2 to 3 concepts of my own, which might take a complete outdoor shoot, which we'll plan soon. Because I'm loving this. It also increases all my acting skills and I level up as a person. So, yep.